At this point, DJI is competing with itself for the most affordable drones under 249 grams. Yet again, DJI is rumored to introduce another compact drone in the sub-249 gram segment, and it is likely to be the replacement for DJI's popular Mini 4K drone, or you can also call it the true successor for the Mini SE series that offered great value at an affordable price. The FCC listing has already confirmed its existence, and we have got more details about the drone, though many reports also suggested that the Leto series might be the rebranded version of SkyRover, which was released a few months back. However, the exciting part is that we are getting another mini drone to play with without needing an FAA registration. So let's jump straight into the DJI Lito X1 features and find out when it might get launched. Igor Bogdanov was the first to share an image of the Lito X1 propellers, giving us the first glimpse at the drone. Later on, he also shared the FCC listing that gave us ideas about its specs. Now, you can clearly guess how compact the drone will be, considering the small size of the propeller arm. You can easily carry this drone anywhere and shoot travel vlogs. Based on the leaked information, the Lito X1 is expected to feature a 1x1.3-inch CMO sensor that can shoot up to 4K videos at 120 frames per second. This should be enough for anyone willing to enter aerial cinematography. The drone is also rumored to come up with an obstacle sensing sensor, but what we are guessing is that we might get only a downward obstacle sensing sensor, considering the price. Now coming to the most important part. According to the FCC listing, based on the input ports, which are mentioned as 5 volts, 9 volts, 12 volts, up to 3 amperes max. Now that is quite low for a full-fledged drone, which is why the new camera suggests that it could be a fast-charging accessory. However, these assumptions don't align with the leaked image, which clearly shows the drone's propeller arm. As for the price, the upcoming Lito X1 is expected to be priced around $350, which is in between Neo 2 and Mini 5 Pro. So, it's more like a beginner drone with excellent capabilities. Most importantly, you won't need any FAA approval to fly this drone due to its weight being less than 249 grams. It will also give an opportunity for new pilots to improve their skills, and later on, may buy the more professional Mini 5 Pro. But for the price, it surely will be an excellent option, and a perfect affordable alternative to the most popular Mini 5 Pro. Will you buy the DJI Lito X1 over the Mini 5 Pro? Throw all your thoughts in the comments, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel to keep yourself updated with all the latest tech news.